Todd, we're here replacing windows today for this customer, and when we were out to visit with them, they said that they wanted us to take a look at replacing windows because they had rotted wood starting.
Right.
So we're going to take these windows out. They're 20-year-old replacement windows, and when we take care of the rotted wood underneath, there's really no sense in putting an old 20-year-old window back in, so obviously we're putting new windows in for these folks. But the problem is, it's really not just the rotted wood here that we have to take a look at, is it? I mean, you got to find the source of the problem. What did we find was the source of the problem on this house?
Well, when you walk around and you see something like this, and you can poke your finger in there, you know you got a water problem, right?
Right.
So water travels downhill. So what do you do when it's traveling downhill?
Look up.
You look up, right? You say, oh, where's that water coming from? Bingo!
Yeah.
Right there, right at the top, where you can see that gutter corner is definitely leaking here. We also saw that it leaked in the other corner.
Yeah.
And
You've got a factory boxed corner here, which means there's 3 seams.
Right,
and
which is unnecessary. It should be manufactured on site.
Right, where you've got one seam. Absolutely.
And you avoid that problem there. And also the flashing to make sure that you don't have water pouring back behind it.
Right.
Causing this kind of problem was this paint.
In fact, that's going to be the next area. When you start to see that paint blister and peel like that, we know that there's moisture behind that wood trying to get itself back out.
Right.
So that's going to be another area
So
of
this
concern.
is a costly error, right? This teeny thing is not very expensive to fix, but what it did is it caused this type of problem. And then now you got to replace the window because, and you really shouldn't have to replace the window that soon.
Had they caught it early enough, we could have just taken care of the gutters, put new gutters on.
Much better to handle the source of the problem than fix it later.
Okay, Todd, we're back on the scene. Here's what we found. When you find these little areas that look like rot and it might be consolidated to one area, that's not the case.
No.
Show the customers what we found when we took it apart.
Well, actually, this is completely rotted out.
That whole corner
This whole
is gone.
corner, I'm just surprised this roof hasn't given way.
Look at here, all the beautiful ant work in this woodwork.
You can see in here, right here, Todd, this is all the work of insects have gotten into this soft wood and just eaten this away. This is soaking wet too.
This entire corner post is gone. Good thing we've got studded framing on each side of it to support this roof line above here. We're going to have to replace this whole thing though.
Yeah.
And the rot does go. It extends left and right from this corner, so hopefully, you know, it doesn't go too much further.
Yeah.
But this is real common. The point is this: when you see small areas of rot on your home or where the paint is peeling, call us right away. Don't wait, because these things turn into big expenses if you wait too long. Take care of it when the problems can be handled easily.
Right. If you like more information or think you have an issue like this, just fill out the form on our website or give us a call. We'd be glad to help you.